Hi, I'm Mark Gaylor, Sony Alpha Ambassador, and in this series of short video tutorials we're going to deep dive into Sony's new menus that we see on cameras such as the A7 IV and the Alpha 1. So without much further ado, let's get started. For shutter speeds longer than 30 seconds, we need to use something called bulb mode, but it does have a habit of going into hiding. So if you're creating a long exposure and we're using a neutral density filter and tripod, and you can't go beyond 30 seconds to find that bulb mode, first of all check your drive mode settings. So press the left side of the control wheel on a camera such as the A7 IV. On the Alpha 1 you'll need to use the dial on the top left of the camera, and once you've checked that you're in single shooting mode, you can then possibly access that bulb mode. Now I'm in continuous shooting here, so I'll need to move that to single shooting mode, and then you should be able to access that bulb mode. If you still can't access the bulb mode, check that you're not using an electronic shutter or silent shooting. Now you can find that in the red shooting menu on page 7 on the A7 IV camera. Now I'm using this setting all of the time, enabling and disabling it, so I've assigned it to the FN menu, which you can go to the yellow setup menu and choose what you want to put in that FN menu. Of course, when you're using bulb mode, you will need a remote device to start and stop your exposure. Now I'm using Sony's Bluetooth remote, but you could use the Imaging Edge app on your smartphone if you prefer. If you found this information useful, head over to patreon.com/Mark Gaylor. I'm offering an Alpha Creative Skills support channel where you can download a 500-page camera-specific ebook, and I've covered most of the late model Alpha cameras. You'll also be able to download a camset file if you own one of the later model Alphas. You'll be able to set up your entire camera with just a single file copied to a memory card. I also offer additional ebooks for people to download to help them master the skills of creative photography, and also a range of 1-hour seminars that look at the using the camera gear to the best effect and also to build up your skills of photography in general. So head over to patreon.com/Mark Gaylor.